Pai le ta sa chem se u promise bung ai ba me pai.
Ta me mot ban ong ba bro arngot ki bahai maya. Laya pide.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association haka santrik ulber aja punrio kalapun kuburam ki sangut kinongele ka jong kani kunhun ki balawanra ya ka nam kuburam ya ka ri India bat ya ka jilla Meghalaya hadien bakla yo ban khur ya ka takmak siar katakma rupa bat katakmar nong ha ka rinsanya kura Asian Pacific Open Kickboxing Championship aja punrio kabala long hanong ba Bali jongkari Indonesia naduk ka arpu sautrik haduk ka arpu pratrik urempang aja punrio kini ki sangut kinongele kai ki balayo khur takma kilong I hebret grace nong psam iba shposnam but I hebren ozanika dong psam iba khat arsnam karta ki balayo khur yikta kamaksiar haka kerdan sub junior I hebret ban shanlin grace masharing iba khat sausnam karta ibalayo khur yakata kama rupa haka kerdan sub junior kasamla blayona kharmujai kabakhat khandai snem karta kabala job yakata kamarnong haka kerdan senior but u hebren mewan pendam marpana Bad uhebren mewan pendam marpan uba khan rusnam karta ubala job yakata kama rupa haka kerdan junior.
Ya kai kawa nakalan jongka All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association ilawan ra ya kaburom nakunta kari hi barakoi kari India bad ya ka jalla Meghalaya jumi barakoi de nilalai banshim manta hagane ka Asian Pacific Open International Kickboxing Championship kawalalong hapo Bali hapo Indonesia nanu ka arko sautarik haduka arko pratarik te nakaleng ka jong ka angka ngila yalam ye kini kihna kibala sya select bat kibala yo ya ka gold medal su napo national championship kabala long shen hapo kanong ba Orissa ngila jit sanmul ki players nangne napo jalla Meghalaya ban represent ya ka India bat ya kene kacela kajungi ita ilong banengkong emigrates nong sub shipostman sub junior K1 light halfway kg category I layo ya ka gold medals ozanika nong sub khat arsnam sub junior K1 light ultra kg category gold medals but Banshailin Grace Masharing Khatsan Snem Junior K1 Light 45 kg category silver medals but Biona Kharmujai Khatkhandai Snem Senior K1 Light 47 kg category bronze medals but Mewan Pendap Marpan Khatnru Snem Junior low kick 57 kg category silver medals tekini ki khna ki kila lekai bha hakateika Asian Pacific Open Kickboxing Championship di ngai khublai karpang but na I congratulate ya kene ki players ki jongi ki bala wanra sisa ya kaburong na kabenta kari India di barokoi but na kabenta ka jingsarong na kabenta ka jalla Meghalaya ka ba I ki jongi te ka jingla ka jongki ban wanra ya kene ki medals bade kene kaburom na kabenta kari India kalong lengba kajing tresitom kajong ki kaba ki la practice mid labats ni shwaban late shati shapo kaneka Asian Pacific International Kickboxing Championship but kajing la kajong ki ban a ya kapor ban train ya lade rengkat batnya hangte hapo upper salon shwaban late ni prepare ya kaneka jing late kajong ni kumba ar banai te kajing le kairo kamdei ka basuk namar ba ka international te khndiat hak ba yedei bat kajing la ka jongki kalong ba kam song hak ta kajing jorong ne kajing lengkot hawat ki khna player ki jongi ki dong ki balengkot ki ba khamrit breu andre shibenta kadon ka advantage shibenta kadon ha ka disadvantage namar ba ki khna pharang bat namar ba ki yakendo bat napo Philippines, napo Canada, napo New Zealand, ki yakendo napo Indonesia, andre ki khna jongi ki khamstat khandia, namar ba ki khamrit, ki khamstat ba ki la ban phet chane jete, te ki la ban simpon ni phag ju kapor, kata kadai ka jing la ka jongi, te nga ai khulai kerpang hakane kapor, kabala penlong yakane ka championship, nen kong nga ai khulai kerpang ya our His Excellency Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, we give a big thanks and we pray for you, sir. Thank you so much for your support and contribution for our players to make this event a successful and a memorable one. And our players brought glory to our country by winning 2 gold medals, 2 silver and 1 bronze. Dengan ai khulai kerpang ro ye Honorable Cabinet Minister Shri Methodius Dikhar ibala support bala contribute na benta kaneka Asian Pacific Championship ki khna jongi ngai khulai kerpang ro ye Honorable MLA of Ranikor Constituency ba Pius Marwin bala support ba contribute na benta ki khna jongi Tengah itu belajar pangro ya our respected SP of Shillong, Shri Vivek Sim, bala contribute but support ro nak benta kini kena lekai di sini. Itu belajar pangro ya Shri Kershan Marwin, bala support but bala contribute nak benta kini kena lekai sini. Banlet seti siapa Indonesia. Itu belajar pangro ya kini pa parents no kini kena. Kibala support nak kajing kasan kajongki kibala contribute nak benta kajing lot kajing sab banlai chati siapa Indonesia ngai kulai kerpang ni kikmi kikpa bat kajing hasan jong ili kena hi parok away te bat ngam la kle a big thanks for our honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya Shri Conrad K. Sangma. Thank you so much, sir, for your support and contribution from time to time to all Meghalaya Kickboxing Association and to our players to make this a day a memorable one for our country India and for the state of Meghalaya by bringing glory to our India and to our state of Meghalaya. Our student they win and brought medals, 2 gold medals and 2 silvers and 1 bronze. This is a big achievement of our fighters and a big achievement of our state also and our country India also from the Asian Pacific International Kickboxing Championship. Ya, kiperlo perjor kibala support ini nakoi kapor, but kamtam ya ka All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association hibarkoi, but ya ka membership kibadon hakane ka All Meghalaya Kickboxing Association. But iwe isinrang. The sub junior kidon arngut. Junior iwe but senior sub junior arngut, junior arngut but senior iwe te kilong sangut barok nakaneka jela kajoni andre kidon kari India barok kowe ngidon kumbasi pongun nomor kidon kiba nangte na ko orisaro sangut kisimrang kiba lekman yesimenta te barok total kilong sipongun andre kiba yo gold medals banwanra ya kari India hi barok kowe ka kilong South League gold medals South League ka silver medals, but Art League ka bronze medals. Kita kita ki kajin wanra burom jo ki kena jo gari India na benda gari hi barok away. Lemba na chief minister si te Henry nakalen jo ka sports department, nakalen jo ka na sport minister te ni klem yo junior pe ero MC Tengaro.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la ka barin ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki wei ni pishat roti shat kiek bat ki wei na ka benta ka koi ka khia jong ki pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba phinyo ka jing shania naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arjar henriu link back a section lai phoi iwei kam de ka ba e ba phinyo e ka license pila ban apply ko online link back website foscas.fssai.gov.in da ka pi hap an upload ru teki kot kisla badan kam kat kum ka judging kam jong pi pila ru banyak kendo yaki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jong u lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan hamigalaya latno tang is khasihers pila ban letbet yak office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa lachumya nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan ra shapi daga commissionerate of food safety government of Meghalaya bat balakershan daga food safety and standards authority of India.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.